Good afternoon, student. Now today we will start chapter 8 decimals. First we define decimals. A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. Here you see that 24 whole number part and this is fractional part, okay, separated by a point, and this point is called decimal points. Now tens, 1 out of 10 equal parts, 1 out of 10 equal parts is parts, okay. For example, 1 upon 10, here you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now in 10 parts we take 1 parts. Now this represents 1 upon 10. When we write it in decimal form, we write 0.1. Okay. Representation of decimal on number line. Okay. Now with the help of example, we understand this topic. Suppose you represent 0.6 on the number line. Here you see that the value of 0.6 is always less than 1. Okay, tens. Now we divide the gap between 0 and 1 in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we count the 6 part from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This point represent 0.6. Understand? Now 1.2, you know that greater than 1, but less than 2. Greater than 1 was less than 2. Now we divide the gap between 1 and 2 in 10 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now we count 1.2 here. Understand? 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.5. 2.3. 2.3 is greater than 2 and less than 3. Now we divide the gap between 2 and 3 in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now we count 1, 2, 3. This represents 2.3. Understand? In this way we represent the decimal number on the number line. Fraction as a decimal. We can convert any fraction into decimal. Suppose that is 2 upon 5. First we convert the denominator in the form of 10, 100 or 1000. Okay. Now we multiply by 2, 4 by 10. Okay. Now we write in 0.4. Understand? Now decimal as fraction. Decimal as, suppose 0.4 is equal to, we convert into decimal fractional form. We write 4 upon. Okay. From fraction we convert into decimal. From decimal we can convert into fraction. Okay. Now question number 1. Write the following as numbers in the given table. Now here we write 3 tens for first A and B. 3 tens, 1 ones and 2 tens. Here 1 hundreds, 1 tens, 0 ones and 4 tens. Okay. Now question number 2. Write the following decimal in place value chart. Here we make the place values 100, tens, ones, tens. 19.4, 1 tens, 9 ones, 4 tenths. 3 tens. Okay, here we write 0. 10.6, 1 tens, 0 ones, and 6 tens. 0 here. 205, 200, 0 tens, 5 ones, and 6 tens. Okay. Now question number 3. Write each of the following as decimals. A. 7 tens. 7 tens. It means that 7 by 10, 0.7. 2 tens, 9 ones. 2 tens, 9 tens. It means 20.9. 14.6. 14.6. 100 and 2 ones. 102. 600.8. 600.8. Okay. Now question number 4. Write the following as decimals. Here 5 by 10s. 5 tens, 0.5. When we add, we get 265. 1 tens, 165.1. Okay. 88 by 10. We write it 88. Sorry. 80 by 10, 8 by 10. Okay. 8 plus 8 by 10 is equal to 8.8. 3 by 2 we convert its denominator in the form of 10. 15 by 10. 10 by 10 plus 5 by 10. Here we write 1.5. 12 by 5 we convert its denominator in the form of 10. 24 by 10 we write it 20 by 10 plus 4 by 10. Understand? Now 2 plus 4 by 10 we write it 2.4. Last. Now 4. 4 whole number 1 upon 2. We write it 4 plus 1 by 2. Convert 1 by 5. 4 plus 5 by 10. Now 4.5. Okay. Thank you, student.